Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about some big money bolos. One item sold for $2,499. Crazy. And he paid $10 for it, sold in 5 hours. So we're going to talk about that. But the video is going to start with some stuffed animals because I didn't have a whole lot of shares in the stuffed animal category this month. Usually you guys have a bunch of stuffed animals, but I don't know, maybe it just kind of got buried and you guys didn't see the post. But I've got some really good stuffed animals, and then we're going to go into some big money hard goods and different things like that. This is my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. If you're not in it, come join. It's free to join. It's down in my link tree. Click request to join. I'll approve it. And then you can come share your big money bolo in the group, and I'll feature it in a video just like this. You have to share under the share post to be featured in the video, but I'd love to see your big money bolo. All right, here's the first item. And this is why you guys, even if you don't sell plush, if you go to garage sales, you should watch the plush videos. Even if you don't want to be a plush seller, you should know which ones are going for crazy money, because these Manhattan toy dinosaurs and crocodiles, things like this, harder to find, go for crazy money. Okay, he said, I've known about these for a while, and there are a few brands of plush I look up every time I see their tags. But I will have to admit, I almost skipped looking up this alligator until I took a second pass and thought to myself, an alligator is kind of like a dinosaur. I was floored when I saw the comps. Since this one had a couple of marks and some slight tearing near some of the stitching, I disclosed the problems and listed for $189.99. It sold for full asking price of $189.99 in 6 hours, guys. 6 hours. He's taking pictures of the eyes because collectors look at the eyes. And this one comes from What the Flip Did I Buy? And here's his eBay store. There you go. All right, here we go. Disney Spider-Man Nuimos. I've never heard of this. Posable plush Peter Parker Spider-Man plush. Look at this little guy. Is that like, oh, look at his little, oh my goodness, that is so cute. I've never seen that. Never would have guessed it goes for that much. All right, let's see. Paid $280 for a storage unit based solely on the fact I saw Disney Snow Globe styrofoam. And who owns Disney Snow Globes other than Disney collectors? This unit did not disappoint. I found a bunch of Disney items. I had never heard of these, but they're plush dolls with interchangeable clothing, and some of the dolls' outfits have decent value. I've got basically nothing into them. Into this item, I found $480 in scrap gold inside the unit. Ended up selling this on an offer after a few days for $76 plus shipping. Wow. Great item. This one is a little lamb. I don't know how to share the link, so you can see the listing. This came from a huge plush buy I made that I'm well into the profit on. My cost was 37 cents each. This sold for $54.94. And it is a Build-A-Bear Lamb Vanilla Swirls. And I just sold another one, or shared another one of these in another post. There you go. How to share a link. So you would go to your sold listing and actually open up the listing on eBay and then copy and paste what is up here in the search bar and then share that. Oh, I don't know what I just did. Anyway, Hello Kitty, Build-A-Bear, I think. Yep, Build-A-Bear Halloween bear. Bought at the Goodwill for $6.99, listed for about 2 months, sold for a full asking price of $120. eBay store is Beloved Baubles. This one is a Manhattan toy Baby Sue the Duck Lovey plush. Never seen this one. Wow. Look at that. I definitely would have picked that up. I love selling loveys. Got it for $1 at a thrift store and sold for full asking price. YouTube is the Cajun Reseller. You guys go follow the Cajun Reseller on YouTube. He has really a lot of knowledge on plush. Also sold a cow version of this for around $100 in December. So it looks like it sold for $113.75. Good to know. I've never seen that one. But that's Manhattan Toy Company, and this is Manhattan Toy Company also. All right, here we go. Look at this thing, you guys. I just can't even believe it. Look at this. She said she got it for free. I would hope so. Look how bad it is. It's terrible. It's terrible. But the best part is this gal, she's like, I knew it would sell. I don't think I would have picked it up. I got to be honest with you. Look at that. Got it free at a slow rummage sale in a box with multiple plush. Sold in about 3 months for $62.99, you guys. Was definitely very used looking. Thanks so much for your educational videos, Ginger Dash store is Mama Wants to Shop. Love that. That is an amazing bolo. And she said, and the buyer paid shipping. Fabulous. So I want to know down in the comments, guys, would you have bought the Dirty Bunny? $62.99 plus shipping. I love it. You guys, if you guys have any weird things like this that have sold, please share them. I just get a kick out of it. Okay, I gotta find because there was only a few plush. I'm looking for where this one. What on earth did I do? Oh, I know what I did. Hold on a second, guys. Bear with me. So down in the comments, this is a good time to tell you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and share. That helps me out in the algorithm. And here we go. You ready for this? Bought it for $10. Sold within 5 hours for $2,499. Oh my goodness. Let's try again. Prestige Worldwide is the eBay store. And it's more than just boat. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. So this is a Nathan Simplex Type R number 7 lifting injector for steam locomotives. How would you even know what this is? I don't know, but you know, it just goes to show you, take some chances and you might just get a $2,000 item that sells in 5 hours that you paid 10 for. I'm not doing it. My husband might do something like that, but I don't want to ship that. But that's a lot of money. So maybe I should think about that. Would you guys flip that? Would you buy it and flip it? Let me know in the comments. Bought this for $1. Yep, $1 at a yard sale, and it sold for $25 in about a week. It is a checkerboard Warren Kimball bunny rabbit folk art green wallpaper border. Adorable. This one, so I feel like I find stuff like this all the time, and I probably need to do better at looking things up because I just bring these things to Whatnot and start them at $3 to $5, and somebody probably bought it from me and sold it for $99. Original pewter 1964 Carol Shelby keychain, Cobra Racing. Look at that, you guys. Would you have ever guessed this is a $99 item? This key ring was in a jewelry box of 50s and 60s jewelry. I bought it in an estate sale. I probably had 2 years in my death pile. I like to call it a money pile because as soon as you list it, you're going to make money. Didn't think much of it. Decided to try to list. Saw it was on WorthPoint. After investigating more, found out it was an original 65 Shelby Cobra keychain from a dealership in Rare. Listed it at 99 cents and it sold for $99. So she auctioned it, guys. That's cool. Vintage 1999 Conair Instant Hot Lather Machine Shaving Cream Warmer. New in box. Yeah, these have been a bolo for a minute. Bought this at a yard sale for $2. I just grabbed it. When I got home, I was pleasantly surprised to find brand new in the box. Listed it for $110. Received an offer for $100 in about 15 minutes. Cha-ching. Flipping for freedom. Love your store name. This one is a Lawrence Simrad 3-in-1 active imaging transducer. I still don't know what it is, but that's what it is. Bought it at a yard sale for $2. Wasn't quite sure what it was. The man told me it was for a boat and knew. I went home, researched it, found out it was a fish finder. Listed for $199. I got an offer for $159 the next day. Before I could ship it, customer canceled, said it was the wrong one he needed. Relisted, sold in 3 days for full price of $199. Ooh, I love it when that happens. All right, here we go. So these next couple are from Jolly's Treasure Emporium, and I have featured her store a few times because she always shares a lot and has amazing bolos. Unexpected and such a great variety. So there is another video, a couple, I think I've got 3 or 4 now maybe that are just featuring her items. So check her out. You can type in bolobuddies Jolly's Treasure Emporium into the YouTube search, and those will pull up her videos specifically. And I think you'll really like what you see, especially if you're a very diverse seller that sells a lot of different things. She's got good stuff. 5950 era. It is a hat. Good keywords. Bought this for $2 and sold in 4 months for $35 on eBay. All right. The next one, she said, I go to the Goodwill by her doctor's office every time I have to go, which is every 3 months. I like going there because it has more rich neighborhoods around that area. With anyone I spotted this Snoopy Kids golf set. Brand new, came out of a fresh cart. I grabbed it for $6. looked them up and saw used ones and just individual items, not a set like this. So listed high. It sold in 2 months for an offer of $125. She said, I was freaking out. Love sales like this. eBay, Jolly's Treasure Emporium. This one is a giant book of the human body, vintage hardcover book from 1990. She said, I bought this book on the human body for $1. It had some wear and it sold in 2 months for $35. eBay is Jolly's Treasure Emporium. Yeah. So you guys, sometimes you got to list high and just, if you get an offer and it comes in quick and you don't have a lot of money in it, grab it and go, right? Zelda gift bags. She said, I bought these 2 sets of Zelda gift bags, 16-inch each set, paid $1, sold both in a few weeks apart, one for 14, one for 15. Took 6 months to sell. So very easy to list, easy to ship. 6 months, not a quick flip, but kind of an unexpected item. This one is a Bath and Body Works Wild Honeysuckle Ultra Sheer Body Cream. Sold it on Poshmark for $55. Picked this up at an online auction for $7.23, sold within a month. Don't sleep on Bath and Body Works products. They have a cult following, she said, and she is a perfect day on Poshmark. Okay, Neutrogena T-Gel Extra Strength Shampoo, 6 ounces. That's it, 6 ounces, guys. That's all you get for $100. Picked up 5 of these at my local pallet store for $4.24 each. This was my last one, and I'm really sad to see it go. The night before it sold, I got an offer for $75, and I checked it against current listing, and I was the lowest one. I used to be one of the highest, so I decided to counter at $95. Not even 24 hours later, it sold to someone else for full price of $112.99 and buyer pays shipping. These have been discontinued, which is why they are in such high demand. It makes you wonder why something that is so good that people want this bad, why they discontinue it, you know? Kind of weird. What do you guys think? Make Believe Ideas, Pink Unicorn Lovey, Security Blanket, Sensory Tags, and Knots. Paid $1.29 for this Lovey at a local thrift store. It sold under a month for full asking price. eBay store is Thrifting Addiction, and she is also on Instagram, so give her a follow. Yeah, Loveys. I love selling Loveys. They're so easy. So easy. This one's really cool. All right, you guys, thanks so much for being here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Come join the Facebook group. Check out List Perfectly videos, how to get on multiple platforms. I've got links down below of tutorials if you want to learn to sell on Whatnot for beginners. Bolo Buddies in the YouTube search. Those will pull up how to set up a show and all that, and then also how to ship. You can sell on Whatnot doing live shows or in the marketplace, the shop. So check it out. Thank you guys so much. And come see me on Whatnot. On Bolo Buddies over there. There's a referral link to join Whatnot too. If you want, you get $15 to shop. And I challenge you to look for something on Whatnot to flip on eBay. I bet you find something. I bet you do. All right, you guys. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching.